number 20, Asa Turner.
Hey, screen. 6 Okie.
6 Okie. You want down?
6 Okie. I'm high. Hey, get down. Hey, cover two. Hey. Let's go. Hey, Kyle, you called that. You called that. Good job, no.
I know.
Good job, baby.
What I'm talking about. Let's go. Hey, let's go.
Hey, that's good because we get to go on D now, baby. We get to go on defense. Let's go. Loop. Let's go, guys. Hey, keep it up. Hey, eyes. 6 Okie. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Baby, let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo. Steven. I never seen that in person.
I've never seen that either.
You shot get skill from make tackle, huh?
Did you make a tackle?
No.
Yeah,
I'll
give you.
Hey, Davis. Hey, eyes. How you gonna step? You gonna step like me, huh?
Ready? Yeah.
6 Okie, baby. Let's go. Disguise it. Anything, whatever. Good job, baby. Pull, no, pull. Let's go, pull. Let's go, pull.
Keep playing our game.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, Brock. Good job, Brock. Good job. Let's go. Good job, baby. Good job. He just ditched me. You gotta high five me.
Hey, I got you, bro.
He just left me.
Hey, I got you.
Good job, Carlos. Let's go, Luke.
Hey, Luke, this is too easy.
Don't leave me hanging this time. There you go.
Hey, nice.
Good job. Jack. Good job. Good play, Kyle.
Down?
I guess.
Told my man that he was like,
Good job, baby.
Exactly, baby.
Hey, throw up Calaveras.
Yeah.
Throw up Calaveras. Throw it up. Let's go.
DC, baby.
No. There we go. Good job, Zach. Good job, Cole. Nice job, Jody. Nice throw. Hey, you get that side. Hey, eyes. Fake cover 2 on Gray.
Hey, you had a touchdown. Nice.
Hey, light work, dog. How come you were so much faster your junior season than you are now?
Got big.
Huh?
Gained weight. I was waiting for you to throw it. You had so much time. You were waiting so long, I thought someone was going to be waiting there. Thanks for a second chance, I know.
Huh?
Thanks for a second chance.
I like Skittles.
Hey, you more of a breakfast or lunch or dinner type guy?
Dinner.
Dinner? I was thinking, what's your favorite meal?
Protein. Protein.
Okay. And to finish it off with the dessert?
Dude, that'd be so lit.
Ice cream sundae.
Okay. You heard it.
If he
Now the question everyone wants to know, do you plan on cutting your hair?
My mom won't let me.
Yeah, I think she's right. Good job, Mama Turner.